How you doing, everybody? Today we're going to open up another box of a mega box of Holiday 2020. The first box that we opened was pretty good. We got the Lou Bob rookie and a couple nice SPs. Check it out if you haven't seen it already. Let's get into it. I got this box from PapaJCards.com. Go there for all your cards and supplies needs. Let's get into it. Oh, nice. Got a Gleyber Torres ornament. That's awesome. Put that right there. It's always nice to hit your PC. All right, we're looking for SPs and maybe an autograph or a relic. I'm looking for Lou Bob SPs. All right, let's get into it. We got a Trent Grisham rookie, so that's a good start. Tim Anderson, John Means, Joey Votto, Nick Anderson. We got a metallic of Bryce Harper, Urena, Silverino, Rich Haniger, Odorizzi. We got a Moustakas. We got a Stanton. Looks like we got a DJ LeMahieu SP. Can't really see where the SP is on it. Boy, I don't see it. Well, it's not an SP at all. I don't know why that was backwards. It's a base card. We got a Aaron Barrett. We got a Machado. Trey Turner. We got a Kyle Tucker. Nick Senzel. Willie Castro, rookie. Zach Greinke. We got Stroman, Gurriel, Kiermaier, Austin Riley. We got Chris Sale. We got a Nico Horner rookie. It's nice. Anthony Rizzo, Will Smith, Brandon Crawford, Josh Donaldson. Reyes, Edmund, Ryan McBroom, got Alex Young, and a Brendan McKay. Got the Scarf SP. So rookie SP, not too bad. I'm sure that's just a SP. Yeah, just a regular SP. Patrick Corbin, Urias, got a Kevin Biggio, and a Gratterall rookie. Realmuto, Walker, Cano, Kemp, Peterson. Got a Randy rookie. That's a good one. Got an Eloy, Brandon Lau, Matt Chapman, Contreras. Still looking for the hit. It's probably going to be a relic, which is going to be in this pack. Got a Chris Sale, a Schwarber, Brian Reynolds, and a Colton Wong. Well, That's the same exact relic I got in the last box. So not very good on the relic. Not good at all. Got Smith, Nemo, Bailey Jr., and a Jesus Luzardo rookie. Got a Bellinger, Jake Rogers rookie, Moncada, Robus, Kyle Schwarber, Harper. So we got another Randy. So the first one must have been a metallic, which is really cool. Second Randy. Barrios. Costello or whatever. Polanco. I'll take 2 Randys in the box. Got a Shohei, Chris Bryant. Got Luke Voigt for my sister, her favorite player. And Duhar. Looks like we got a Pete Alonso SP. Yeah, I got the ornament on the bat. Just a regular SP. So out of 2 boxes, all I got was 4 regular SPs. No rares. D. Gordon, Jack Flaherty, Porcello, Juan Soto, and a Kevin Newman. Got a Josh Bell, Kyle Seager, Guerrero Jr., Ryan Zimmerman, Lariano, Barrios, Chris Paddock, Brendan Rodgers, got a Jordan rookie, Edwin Rios rookie. All right, last pack. Got a John Birdie, Mitch Garver, got a Mayfield, Zach Gallen rookie, Domingo Leyba rookie, got a Goslin rookie, a Mukchi or rookie, Jake Arrieta, Corey Seager, and Chapman. So, I mean, we got a lot of rookies out of that box. Got the same exact relic as we got in the first box, so that wasn't that good. A couple regular SPs. Not too bad. All right, guys. Next time. See ya.